Let me ask you something. If I told you there's a single $1 rule that could completely transform your financial life, would you believe me? Probably not. But what if I told you this rule has helped thousands of people pay off debt, save for their dream vacations, and finally take control of their money? No spreadsheets or complicated math required? Sounds like magic, right? Well, stick around because today, I'm going to show you how this simple $1 rule will not only change the way you budget but also change the way you live. The problem with traditional budgeting: here's the deal. Traditional budgeting doesn't work for most people. Raise your hand if you've ever tried to follow a strict, color-coded budget only to throw it out the window by week 2. Yep, me too. Most budgets fail because they're too complicated or unrealistic. They make you feel guilty every time you buy a latte or grab a takeout meal. Who wants to live like that? But here's what no one tells you. Successful budgeting isn't about cutting out everything you love. It's about creating a system that's simple, flexible, and, most importantly, doable. That's where the $1 rule comes in. This isn't just a budgeting hack, it's a mindset shift. What is the $1 rule? So, what is the $1 rule? It's incredibly simple. Every time you spend $1 on something you want, you save $1 for your future. That's it. Buy a $5 coffee? Save $5. Spend $20 on a new shirt? Save $20. The beauty of this rule is that it forces you to think twice about your spending while making saving money automatic. Here's why it works. It creates a one-to-one relationship between your spending and your saving. For every dollar you spend on the now, you're investing $1 in your later. It's like giving yourself permission to enjoy your money today without sacrificing your future. Why this rule works like magic? This rule works because it taps into two powerful forces: balance and accountability. Think about it. Most of us either overspend and save nothing or save so aggressively that we feel miserable. The $1 rule keeps things balanced. It says, hey, go ahead and enjoy that fancy dinner, but don't forget to save the same amount for future you. And here's the secret sauce. It's not just about saving money. It's about changing your relationship with money. Every time you use the $1 rule, you're telling yourself, I deserve to enjoy my life now, but I also deserve a secure, stress-free future. That's powerful. How to start using the $1 rule today? Alright. Let's break this down so you can start using the $1 rule today. Step 1. Open a dedicated savings account. This is where you'll stash your $1 rule savings. Ideally, use a high-yield savings account so your money grows while you save. Step 2. Track your spending. Don't overthink this. You don't need fancy apps or spreadsheets. Just jot down every purchase and match it with the same amount for your savings. For example, if you spend $50 on dinner, write down, dinner, $50, and savings, $50. Step 3. Automate whenever possible. Apps like Capital or Acorns can round up your purchases and save the difference, making it super easy to stick to the rule. Or, if you're old school like me, transfer the savings manually. It's oddly satisfying. Real-life examples and results. Still skeptical? Let me share some real-life examples. Take Sarah, a college student who used the $1 rule to save $3,000 in 6 months. How? Every time she spent money on clothes, food, or entertainment, she saved the same amount. She even started cooking at home more often to free up extra cash for her savings. Or meet James, a young professional drowning in credit card debt. By using the $1 rule, he not only cut his spending but also built a $5,000 emergency fund in less than a year. He says it felt like he was paying his debt and future self at the same time. Personally, this rule helped me save for my dream trip to Italy without guilt. Every gelato I bought came with a matching deposit into my savings account. By the time I boarded that plane, I had my travel fund ready to go and no post-trip money stress. Overcoming challenges. Now, let's talk about the challenges. The $1 rule is simple, but it's not always easy. For example, what if you're on a tight budget and can't afford to match every dollar? That's okay. Adjust the rule to fit your reality. Save 50 cents for every dollar you spend, or even just 10%. The point is to start building the habit. Another challenge? Forgetting to track your spending. Trust me, I've been there. My tip? Set daily reminders on your phone or keep a sticky note in your wallet. And remember, perfection isn't the goal, progress is. The emotional payoff. Here's the best part. The $1 rule isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. Imagine waking up one day and knowing you have a cushion for emergencies, a growing fund for your dreams, or even just the freedom to splurge without guilt. That's what this rule gives you: freedom and control over your financial life. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give the $1 rule a try? Here's my challenge for you. Start today. Try it for 1 week, and let me know in the comments how it feels. Trust me, this small habit can lead to massive results. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who could use some financial inspiration, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to take control of your money and your life.